Mini citrus tarts. First up, make the pastry. Place the flour, icing sugar and butter in a food processor. Process until the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs. Then add the egg yolk and water. Process again until the dough just comes together. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead until it is smooth. Shape into a disc, cover with plastic wrap, then pop in the fridge and rest for 30 minutes. To make the lemon filling, whisk the eggs in a medium bowl. Add the cream, sugar, lemon rind and lemon juice. Whisk until well combined. Cover with plastic wrap and chill for an hour. Divide the pastry into even portions. Roll out each portion on a lightly floured surface until about 3 millimeters thick. Carefully line the tart tins with the pastry and with a sharp knife, trim off any excess pastry. Place the tarts on an oven tray and place in the fridge to rest for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Line the tarts with scrunched pieces of baking paper. Scrunching the paper helps it reach the edges of the tarts. Fill with baking weights or rice. Bake for 10 minutes. Remove the paper and weights and bake for another 8 minutes. This is what we call blind baking. Reduce the oven temperature to 150 degrees. Strain the lemon filling through a fine sieve into a large jug. Carefully pour the filling into each pastry case. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the filling is just set. Stand to cool slightly, then place in the fridge to chill. To make the candied lemon, combine the sugar and a cup of water in a small frying pan over a medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Add the lemon slices, cook, turning occasionally for 30 minutes or until the rind is translucent. Transfer the slices to a tray lined with baking paper. Set aside to cool. To make the meringue, use an electric mixer to whisk the egg whites in a small bowl until firm peaks form. Gradually whisk in the sugar, about a tablespoon at a time. Keep whisking until all the sugar is dissolved. Dab tarts with paper towel to remove any moisture. Use spoons dipped in warm water to stop the meringue sticking to the spoon and spread a little meringue over each tart. Using a kitchen blowtorch, toast the meringue or place under a grill for a couple of minutes. Top with candied lemons to serve. You can replace the lemon with any citrus fruit you have on hand, such as ruby grapefruit, lime, mandarin or orange.